In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Tradestation 10 cache. If your charts feel sluggish, symbols take longer to load, or you're running low on disk space, your cache settings might be the reason. The cache is where Tradestation desktop stores recently used market data and resources so it can load them quickly later. Over time, that storage can grow and slow things down, so fine-tuning it can make a real difference. Start by opening Tradestation Desktop. At the top left, open the File menu, then choose Preferences and select Network. This area manages how the platform connects to data and how it stores what it downloads. Inside the Network Preferences, switch to the Cache tab. This is where you'll control what gets kept, for how long, and where it's stored on your computer. You'll see an option to delete old data by setting how many days to keep cached items. Think of this as the platform's housekeeping schedule. A lower number keeps less historical cache, which frees up disk space and can help the platform stay lean. The trade-off is that data you haven't used recently may need to be re-downloaded when you open a chart, which can take a moment. A higher number preserves more cached information, so common symbols load faster, but it uses more space over time. If you're short on storage or you've noticed lag, consider reducing the days. If you value instant access to a wide range of symbols and have plenty of disk space, keeping more days can be convenient. You can also adjust or change the cache directory. This tells the platform where to store its cache on your system. If your main drive is filling up or you have a faster drive available, pointing the cache to a drive with more free space or better performance can help. Choose a stable, always available local drive to avoid interruptions, and make sure it has sufficient free space. Moving the cache doesn't change how data behaves. It just changes where it's stored. When you're satisfied with your choices, click OK to apply. This doesn't wipe everything instantly. It applies your purge rules, so the platform can remove older items according to the number of days you set. After applying, charts may briefly reload as fresh data is requested. That's normal and simply means your new settings are doing their job. That's it. By setting the keep days and, if needed, choosing a better cache location, you control how Tradestation manages its stored data, helping your workspace stay responsive and efficient over time.